Hi everyone, I'm Steven from One Living and nice to meet you guys again. Okay, recently I know a lot of people moving into the new house. So electric appliances are indispensable. Okay, so today is a great time and the best time to get a new electric goods for your new house. Okay, the firstly I would like to introduce this air conditioner. This air conditioner is from a Samsung that what we have wind-free cooling. Okay, what I mean wind-free cooling? Actually, normal aircon, the air will come up from this apartment, right? But this is something special. Because why? The air will come up from this front panel with 23,000 microvolt. Okay, so designed in fast cooling, farther or wider. Yeah, of course, this also comes with inverter, digital inverter with 10 years warranty, and some more also come with an auto cleaner, and then energy saving can up to 77%, wow, it's incredible. So beside air conditioner, we go for the washer also, because I know washer is a must for everyone. Okay, beside air conditioner, washer also is a must for everyone, right? So today I will try to introduce you guys a special washer. What do you mean special washer? You see, this was a washer from Samsung. Okay, they come with what we call active dual wash. What I mean active dual wash, you see, let me show you. Included a built-in sink. Okay, of course they come with a water powerful jet flow. Again, this suitable for hand wash delicate item. Some more, you see, the drum is fully stainless steel. Yeah, and for this washer, also can remove dirt, stain. Okay, at 40 degree and 60 degree. Come, I'll show you. This is what we call magic clean. Of course, this also they have a lot of function, like delicate, baby care, okay, or what we call is quick wash. And also, they come with what we call smart thing. So you can use your phone to control this washer. And also the most important thing is, of course, they come with digital inverter technology. Also, for this washer, they available in 14 kg, 16 kg also, like this is 22 kg. Or they come with 11 years warranty. So, what are you waiting for? Okay, just get it, alright, for your new house. Okay, lastly, we go for refrigerator. So of course, it's a must for everyone, right? How come your new house no refrigerator? So, I will try to introduce this Samsung refrigerator. What are the benefits for this? You see, normal fridge, one door, two door, one fan. But this is running on two fans. What I mean two fans? Because they come with what we call twin cooling. Okay, twin cooling. What I mean twin cooling? You see, over here, okay, they have a 5 conversation modes. Means you can turn off your freezer into your fridge. And also, you can turn off the refrigerator. It's incredible. Of course, they have many types of fridge for Samsung. Let's say they have a side-by-side, they have a bottom freezer, of course they have a 3-door, and also they come with side-by-side with water dispenser. Come on, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. This is a side-by-side from Samsung. Wow! And this also side-by-side, of course, this is something different because why? They come with a water dispenser. They also come with a bottom freezer. Okay, so all Samsung refrigerator, they come with a digital inverter technology, so all is energy saving. So if you're interested all the product that I introduced, or you want to know more our product, just visit any one of our One Living that locate in Rawang, Puchong, Sri Petaling, SS2, Malacca, Ipoh, wow, counters. So just visit us. Okay, see you later.